In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create blocks in AutoCAD, a fundamental skill that can greatly enhance your efficiency and organization within the program. Whether you are drafting architectural plans, engineering designs, or any other type of schematic, understanding how to effectively use blocks can be a game changer. First, you'll want to start by creating the object that you intend to convert into a block. This could be anything from a simple shape to a detailed drawing, depending on your needs. Once your object is ready, the next step is to select it along with all its components. It's important to ensure that everything you want included in the block is highlighted. Now, head to the command line at the bottom of your screen and type in the word block. Press enter, and you'll notice that the block definition window makes its appearance. This is where you'll start to shape your block, beginning with its name. Choose a name that is descriptive and easy to remember, especially if you plan to create several blocks. In this window, you'll also need to specify a base point for your block, which acts as a reference point whenever the block is inserted later. Click on Pick Point if you haven't set it yet, and choose a location that makes sense for your drawing, somewhere logical and easy to locate within your design. Before you finalize this process, take a moment to glance at the bottom left corner of the window. Here, you'll find an option to open your block in the block editor. If you want to make further edits at this stage or any time later, you can check this option. The block editor is a powerful tool, allowing for detailed modifications and improvements to your block. Now that you've set everything up to your liking, go ahead and click OK. Congratulations, your block has been successfully created. But how do we use it? Whenever you're ready to insert your new block into your drawing, simply type the word Insert into the command line and hit Enter. A dialog will appear, listing all available blocks. Find your newly created block and select it. As you proceed to place it in your drawing, you'll notice how easy and efficient the process is, allowing you to replicate detailed components quickly and consistently. Remember, blocks are not just a feature, but a powerful ally in AutoCAD, simplifying repetitive tasks and optimizing your workflow. Give it a try and integrate blocks into your regular AutoCAD routine for streamlined and professional level designs. Thanks for watching and happy designing.